Today I'm taking you with me all to lawnmower race.
Just in the background there.
So I'm going to take you outside. I'm in the bar and I'm going to show you around. So funny, when I hear about the lawnmower race, I thought it was people pushing, no, they're driving the lawnmower without the cutters on. So guys, let's go outside and see what's going on. So guys, here we are outside. This is what the truck looks like, and if you look over there you can see 2 lawnmowers. So I'll be going back outside to the vehicle to pick up something and then come back in. So have a look guys, this is so over there you can get things to buy like hot dog and all of that. So guys, I'm gonna cut this video until the race begins.
All day.
Yeah.
Still security, so.
Oh, are you?
Yeah,
Right.
I'm just a driver.
Okay.
You know, if they don't come up with gummy bears, I like gummy bears.
Oh, we've got gummy bears. I've got gummy bears. They've just sort of got back into it, so it's just after.
So guys, I'm showing you around. Tony's there chatting away. I'm showing you around. I'm just taking, these are the restrooms. This is quite nice.
Are you pretending you're in your mower, Deb? Are you pretending you're in your mower?
Around this side there's 2 more restrooms. Oh, I hear the sound of lawnmower. Let's go check it out. So they use hay to build the truck. Oh, this is where the excitement is. So these are the lawnmowers around here. Lawnmower, that one is different. This one looks pretty. Oh.
This is what I've been walking around with the GoPro now.
So guys, we have loads of lawnmower here.
Let me make myself
So guys, I'm gonna cut this video until everything is together and they're ready to start the race. So I think this is where they're gonna enter from and then go on the track. So guys, the bikes, the lawnmowers start to come around.
How far did you have to come here?
From Carlington.
That's not far, is it? 3 hours away?
No, Carlington.
I don't know.
You're a joker.
You have to make fun of life because
It's true.
if you don't, no good. She said to go one day. I said, I remember.
This is
Come in later. Just so you don't smack me.
just about to start.
Then there was police checking. I wonder.
And there are a lot of people
That's it.
around.
Oh, there's some unruly
Burger,
children or something.
pizza,
I said to her, she could be a bit unruly.
hot dogs, you name it.
They're a bit different over there.
I run into Hey, that's Tony behind me, guys. Watching the race, putting on the hoodie. There's 2 races have finished, and now if you can look across, you see there's a yellow lawnmower. He's just pressing the track to get it ready for the next race. So if you look closely, sorry. So he's pressing it. Let me see if I can get a better. He stopped, so I think he's somewhere over here. riding the lawnmower. Very small. Look at this one. Guys, now they're having a quad bike race. There's one coming around with the pink. I guess the race is finished. They're going through. You can see over there. They're going to park around the back. Guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend.
Not yet.
Subscribe. Guys. See you in another video. Bye for now. Hope you will enjoy this video.